Another day, another story. The drawbacks of being an affiliate. It can take time to build traffic for referrals. Poor tracking systems may fail to properly attribute your sales, you lose money. Poor customer service can harm your reputation and relationships. You had no say in the product you promoted. The possibility of a company going ghost and failing to pay. You face stiff competition. The customer is ultimately owned by the merchant, not you. If you want to be an affiliate marketer, you need to know where you fit in the hierarchy. The brands you work with will ultimately make or break you, so choose wisely. How to begin with affiliate marketing. Here are 4 simple steps to get started with affiliate marketing to help you get off on the right foot. 1. Choose a niche. The most successful affiliate marketers specialize in a specific market. Narrowing your focus allows you to reach a more specific audience and potentially build relationships that lead to success. Assume you want to start a fashion blog. Consider narrowing it down to a specific niche, such as plus-size fashion, men's fashion, or children's fashion. You'll find it easier to reach people who are more likely to act on your referrals if you focus on a specific niche market. 2. Participate in an affiliate program. You can choose between programs that pay well but have low volume or programs that pay well but have high volume. Premium web hosting programs, for example, pay between $150 and $200 per month. However, because they provide hosting for high-traffic websites, there are only a limited number of buyers. Commission Junction and Amazon Associates, on the other hand, pay commissions in the single digits. On the plus side, you can market almost anything on their platform. The best program for you is determined by your skills and interests. 3. Choose your platform. You have a plethora of platforms at your disposal. Essentially, any platform that allows you to post an image, video, or text can be used as an affiliate marketing platform. Among the options are blog, email, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. All of these platforms are simple to get started with. 4. Make fantastic content. This section has the potential to make or break your success. Whatever the quality of your affiliate partner's products, you must promote them through high-quality content that engages and converts your audience. Assume you're using a blog as your affiliate marketing platform. Don't just create text-based content to promote your products. Add product images, customer reviews, unboxing videos, and other content to bring the content to life. Insightful affiliate marketing examples. Look no further than the mega affiliate website Money Supermarket for an example of how successful you can be as an affiliate. Example of affiliate marketing. This massive website has been around since 1993, and its founder, Simon Nixon, is now a billionaire. While it's a fairly uncommon example of how successful one of these sites can be, it's the ideal model for demonstrating how this process works. When you scroll down the homepage, you'll see a long list of products or services to choose from. They sell a wide range of products, such as insurance, smartphones, and travel services. Assume you're in the market for a new phone. When you click through to the phone offerings, you'll be taken to a product page with a Go to Site button rather than a purchase option. Examples of affiliate marketing. This is due to the fact that this website does not sell anything. As an affiliate, it recommends products that you can purchase elsewhere. If you browse Money Supermarket, click on a site, and then buy one of these phones from the merchant, Money Supermarket will receive a portion of your purchase. Money Supermarket earns money as an affiliate in this manner. They will receive a commission if you purchase from a promoted site. This website has made billions by promoting rather than selling, and they have no inventory. However, as an affiliate, you can do more than just sell a product on a marketplace. Take a look at blogger Matthew Woodward's website. You'll notice right away that it looks very different from Money Supermarket. This is due to the fact that this is solely a blog. Blogger affiliate marketing differs from marketplace affiliate marketing. By writing about topics that his audience needs to know about, he establishes trust and acts as an influencer in their daily lives. He also supplements his blog with a direct email marketing strategy that puts him directly in the inboxes of his audience members. Influencers in affiliate marketing. All of this is intended to foster trust rather than to sell. He then uses the trust he has built with his audience to recommend specific tools for which he is an affiliate marketer. He even has a section of his website dedicated to providing his readers with exclusive deals and discounts. If someone is referred from his site and makes a purchase, Matthew Woodward receives a commission. However, he can also link to these deals in his blog posts, or even send them directly by email when a new deal becomes available. He's also quite successful, bringing in more than $20,000 per month on a regular basis. However, that is another example of a more well-known and established affiliate marketer. What does it look like when you first start? To find out, consider smaller Instagram influencers like Cassie Andrews Style. She began her Instagram account in 2015, and her first photos were not particularly impressive. But it wasn't long before she was back on her feet. Most notably, she decided to take fashionable photos of her home and share them with the world. Her Instagram feed is a collection of posts with the same look and feel as the image below. As her fan base grew, brands began to take notice. She soon began to create sponsored posts that allowed her followers to take advantage of special offers from her merchant partners. While I don't know how much she's made from this, she currently has over 4,900 followers and receives a lot of engagement on her posts. And, while not all of her posts are sponsored or affiliate marketing focused, she does occasionally promote brands on her account. However, as you can see, being a successful affiliate marketer on a variety of levels is entirely possible. With success stories like these, it's difficult not to want to jump right in. But hold on for a moment, because you have a long way to go before you can achieve that level of success. FAQs on affiliate marketing for beginners. Once you've answered the question, what is affiliate marketing? It is not uncommon for an aspiring entrepreneur to seek more clarity. In fact, there is usually a long list of questions you want answered before embarking on your online affiliate marketing journey. So, to help answer any questions or concerns, I've compiled a list of common questions that will help ease your mind and provide you with some basic guidelines to work with. Is it still a viable option? One of the most common concerns among newcomers is perhaps the most relatable. Simply put, is there still room in the world for another successful affiliate? That is determined by what you wish to sell as an affiliate. It's no secret that interest in affiliate marketing has grown in the last 5 years. That much is obvious from a quick look at Google Trends. Enthusiasm for affiliate marketing. This trend may appear discouraging on the surface. Your curiosity has been piqued, but so has the curiosity of your friends, neighbors, and coworkers. It gives the impression that affiliate marketing is difficult for beginners. That notion is not incorrect, but it only represents half of the picture. Being an affiliate, like the rest of the digital frontier, entails adapting to the times. That means that, while there is more interest than ever before, there is also more opportunity than ever before. Smartphones, for example, have changed the way we interact with the world around us, which has influenced how affiliates approach their audience. Furthermore, platforms such as Instagram and YouTube have expanded the pool of influencers from which brands can choose, as there are more content creators with ready audiences than ever before. For the entrepreneur willing to put in the effort and find what works, becoming an affiliate is still a viable option. It may take some trial and error, but once you've honed your approach, there's no doubt that you can make money. Is it really profitable for the small guys? It's easy to think that if you look at an example like the one above, you'll never get there. The facts, on the other hand, should pleasantly surprise you. According to studies, affiliate marketing is the second best way for brands to generate revenue. The Google Ads platform comes close. Google AdSense versus affiliate marketing. Source. That means there is the potential for newcomers to be profitable if they approach with the right system. At its best, affiliate marketing can provide an excellent source of residual income. There is some upfront work required to potentially make a sale, but once you have a system in place, you can easily turn a profit. Assume you decide to sell a product using paid advertisements. After creating an ad, determining a budget, and optimizing it, you can have your ad running in the background, sending visitors to your merchant's site. You are not bothered by a product or customer complaints. Your sole objective is to direct highly targeted traffic to a landing page or product page in order to begin winning conversions.